We waited for 3 hours before the judge came in, and at no time did we see Nnamdi Kanu, who was kidnapped from Kenya. I think we are very, very disappointed. That's the minimum way to say it.
What kidnapped? I don't know if the governor will agree with what the statement.
Did he come by himself?
Do extradition order. Do you know the process of extradition? Do you know the process of extradition? Thank you.
Nnamdi Kanu remains our son. So if he was taken away from Kenya by unlawful means, under the rule of law, he must be brought to court. And the reason given by the prosecution is actually questionable. They said it's a problem of logistics. In simple language, the DSS said they didn't have a vehicle to bring him. As far as I understand the word logistics, and it did not make sense. So the court did not handle the matter today because he cannot have a trial in the absence of the suspects. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being treated like a criminal. He's not a criminal, he's only a suspect. And it's only a court that must pronounce that word, criminal. Everybody is presumed innocent until found guilty. So today we have come all the way to Abuja to witness what is going on. And the first thing we did was to look out for him. We did not see him. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer is also complaining that he has been denied access. For the past 10 days, he has been asking to see his client. And the judge said that is wrong. And he's having a meeting with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, with the prosecutor, who is actually the director of federal prosecution, to work out the days the lawyer will go and see him, to know whether he's alive. We're only hearing stories. So today Ohaneze is standing firm. And we have the full squad of Utuoki in Abuja in attendance. Because we want to see that justice must not only be done, but must be seen to have been done. In other words, we don't want technicality. What triumphed today is called technicality, not justice. Justice demands that you don't keep somebody behind bars and decide when and where to try it. Today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the custody of the Director of State Security, and it is not a prison. Normally, when they are sent to prison, it is from prison that they are brought to trial, not in the hands of those who abducted you. In simple language, nothing has changed. So we say, let there be justice in this case, and Ohaneze will never relent. Yes, the President General of Ohaneze, Professor Bion, said we must see it all.
Are you hopeful that this exercise will be transparent, very transparent? Are you hopeful that this trial will be transparent?
Well, you may not know, but this trial is being monitored all over the world. And it is actually the judiciary that is on trial today. The judiciary in Nigeria is on trial. How they handle this case will now determine how the world sees the judiciary of Nigeria. It's an international case, and we'll follow it up to the end. Thank you very much.
Thank you.